Big fish, big fish. Big fish, oh my God. Wow. Swamp bass, freaking giant. Hey, welcome to Camping Cast. I'm at Blackwater Creek, kind of in the middle of nowhere. I actually got lost a couple times getting here, but just wanted to record a quick intro video. I'm about to drop the kayak and explore this creek and explore this lake and see if I can catch any fish. But I mean, so far this place just looks absolutely beautiful. So really excited for this morning. I'm guessing these blazes are marking the trail to the lake in case it's flooded and you can't really see where you're going. Here, oh, got it. Oh, son of a, you know what? Finally got a fish. All right, slow down. Jig. Well, here I am again, back in the wind. I haven't caught a fish yet. It's almost 11. This is, I mean, an absolutely beautiful lake, but in terms of fishing it, I really am kind of stumped. No pun intended. No. Come on, man. Please still be on. He's still on. Hey. There we go. There we go. Whoa, dude. Oh, yeah. Holy smokes. What? Oh my goodness, look at this thing. I can't believe that. Look how dark that fish is. I'm glad I didn't give up. Unreal. Very cool. Look how dark that bass is. Crazy. Let's slip you back in. It's right under that log right there. Man, I should have stayed in the creek the whole time. Just a little wacky Cinco, weedless. Yes. I should have been in here the whole time. This is awesome. Dang, bro. Freaking freight trained it. Look at these bass. This is unbelievable. These are beautiful fish. They are somewhat predictable. Pretty thing. Big fish, big fish. Oh my God. Big log. Oh, there we go. Another big one, another giant, another giant. It's a giant, it's a giant. Get out of there, get out of there. Come on, man, get out. We got it. Mike, buddy, you are my hero. Look at this fish. Little chunkers, fatties. Look at that thing. Look how black it is. Totally black. So you'll notice what I'm doing is I'm just pitching it right up against this cover. Right up against these trees, right up against this brush. That's a wrap. Just loaded up the kayak and heading home. This place is amazing. I mean, I'm not gonna sugarcoat it. I guess I am sugarcoating it. It's a really fantastic spot, way off the beaten path. That creek is pretty amazing. I mean, those fish were just stacked up in there, the big black heavy bass. I mean, it was really, really cool to see. The lake was beautiful. I didn't catch a single fish. I had a couple bites. So those cypress trees are dwarf cypress. They're actually regular cypress trees. There's not enough nutrients to support regular cypress tree size growth. So it's kind of a unique ecosystem out there. And if you get a chance to see Blackwater Creek and Norris Lake, I highly recommend it. It's a little tough to find, but that's okay. It kind of makes it a little less accessible. So, I mean, I saw 4 kayaks today. That's it. So, had an awesome time. Please like and subscribe. I'm going to try to do more of these kayak videos. I've actually kind of jacked up my foot, so the kayak's a little bit more conducive to that because I can sit and fish. But let me know what you'd like to see. Leave in the comments. Have you been here? Is there any other wild creeks in Florida that you'd like me to explore?